Hi guys, my name is Alisa and I live in China. Today I would like to show you our gated community in Qingdao. So this is the gated community where my apartment is. So let's go and take a look what's inside, what's behind the gates. Let's begin with the street view. So this is our street. Yeah, I'm careful, don't worry. So this is the street view. There are so many electric bikes parked here. And
electric motorcycles.
Exactly.
Electric motorcycles.
Electric motorcycles, right, are parked here. And
Electric motorcycles.
yes. So and these
My channel.
to my channel, exactly.
My channel.
Yeah, so this is the gate.
My channel.
Hello, ni hao. Thank you, shishi. So it has, don't worry, walk, 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 go, 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 go. So it has the facial recognition and also it opens automatically after you scan your face. So this is the entrance to the building. Yeah, so this is the elevator. Can you press the button? Let's call the elevator.
Where?
Here. Yeah, this button. Yeah. Thank you.
We are going home.
We're not going home. We are going to show the community.
To my channel.
Ariane keeps saying, subscribe to my channel, right? Here we have a playroom. Let's go to show the playroom, Ariane. So this is the playroom. When it gets too cold outside, there is some nice space for kids to come in and play, right, Ariane?
And play here.
Yeah, we can play outdoors maybe today because the weather is nice. Now we're just showing the playroom, right? So here you can buy some water and these are the prices. You can just scan the QR code and buy some drinking water here. And this is the area, the sports area. So I see people dancing here. It's a nice spacious room, sometimes doing some yoga exercises.
And to play here.
Okay, so now let's go outside to show you our community. There is a fountain right at the entrance. It's not working right now. Yeah, puppy, so sweet puppy. So the fountain is not working right now, but when it does, it's really beautiful and relaxing. Okay, so Ariane, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to the right or to the left?
To the left.
To the left? Okay, so let's go to the left and show you everything step by step. So it's spring now,
The left.
and we are so happy to see lots of blossom. Be careful, be careful.
Look, oh, another puppy.
Oh, another puppy. You probably could see that the area is really clean. They are taking a very good care of this area. Every morning we see so many people cleaning, sweeping, even mopping the floors. Like here, the tiles. I saw like very often that they are mopping these tiles with,
The floor.
yes, they are mopping the tiles with some special machines. So let's just relax and take a walk with me. I'll try to talk less so you can feel the vibe of this area better, okay? And also there are a few spots where you can exercise. So this is the first mini outdoors gym where you can just exercise. And I just wanted to say that the moment I enter the community, I feel kind of at home, you know. I feel relaxed, and it's very peaceful here, very calm, and also clean, and the area is so green. Yeah, Ariane says that he heard a nightingale singing. Yeah, so you know, it just changes your mood completely. You enter this area and you feel safe, peaceful, and relaxed. This is how I feel. See, so beautiful couple. Do you like them? So beautiful couple, right? Look, so beautiful ladies are dancing. Want to see? Yeah, I realized they're having a dance class here, and this is their instructor. See? So you can see all around the community there is a walking slash running path. Ariane, can you show where's the running path? Yeah, you see there are so many people working here wearing special uniform.
Run back here.
Yeah, so can you run? There are so many trees with the blossom here, like really extremely beautiful. Now we are going to walk all around and then show you the playground for the kids. And this is another outdoor gym corner here at this beautiful area. So let's exercise. I'm not properly dressed for exercise today, but I'll do my best. Yeah, so you can run here and do some other activities, right, Ariane? As you can see, we have lots of space here to walk, to run, to exercise. This area is designed for the person just to stay active. And also, there are so many spots where you can just take a seat and relax and have a peace of mind. So beautiful community we have, right? People are happy and kind, and the area is so clean. Really, it's just a pleasure to live in this community, right, Ariane?
Yeah.
We need to be very thankful for this opportunity.
Мамочка, расскажи мне, какие у меня цацки.
Oh, and Ariane has so many toys, guys. You cannot imagine. He has a puppy. How many puppies do you have? Two? Two dogs?
No.
How many?
4.
Four?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are going home right now. So if you would like to see how our apartment looks here in China, you can check out this video. And I'll see you in my next videos. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed walking with us here in our community. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below. See you soon. Take care.